What's up, guys? This is Jordan Robinson. You know, the guy with the 1 minute speeches, that whole, hey, Jordan, you know what I mean? That whole kind of thing. All in all, I have this amazing UI crash course that's coming out, and it starts this Saturday. All right. It's only 40 bucks a month. 40 bucks a month. Seriously. But after Saturday, it's up to 80 bucks. And I'm only letting people in until Friday. But mind you, there's only space for 12 participants. Come on. 12 participants. This is going to be that nitty gritty, really close knit team. You know what I mean? We're going to all learn a whole lot about UI design and all about where you can go with it, what you can do with it, how you can flex it, flip it, bop it, pull it, whatever you got to do. You know what I mean? We're going to go really deep into everything. This is really intensive. Now, 12 spots. Saturday. That's 2 days away. August 14th, okay? By the end of Saturday, it goes from $40 a month to $80 a month. Come on now. And we're talking 3 months, 12 weeks, right? So that's $120 for the whole first round, or $240 if you wait until Sunday, okay? The choice is yours, all right? It's yours. I'm trying to give something back to you guys, but it's up to you if you want to take it. Now, I'm not forcing you. You can go and pay $1,600 to go over there. You can go pay $1,500 to go over there. You can pay $3,000 to go somewhere way over there. Who knows? But I'm giving it to you for the lowest amount possible. 12 sessions, $40 a month. That's $120. Or $80 if you wait until Sunday to pay for this, and that's $240. Still astronomically cheaper than anyone has ever done. And you're going to do amazing work, because I do amazing work. My wife does amazing work. And I'm going to prove it to you the minute you sign up, because I'm going to share with you one of my clients' progression, okay? Her progression case study. That's just a sight of beauty. All right. Definitely get in here. team-allin.com. Get in this spot. This spot is yours, okay? You got 12 spots. Make sure you get in. All right. I'll see you guys.